Silverado when they had to carry crates, we was there and still had, yeah, it feels great.